Hi, this is Ryan with Front End Audio, and today I want to talk to you about the CAD Audio Trion 8000. The Trion 8000 is a classic bottle-shaped tube microphone. It features a frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kHz. It handles high SPLs of 133 dB and only has self-noise of 21 dBA, so it's actually a very quiet microphone for a tube mic. It does have dual 1-inch gold sputtered diaphragms in it, so you have multiple patterns here, which is actually selectable up front. And as you can see right here, you can switch between omnidirectional, cardioid, or figure of 8. That is about pretty much all the features that the microphone has on it. There is no pad, no high pass filter, but if you look inside of it, and I know you can't see this, but I just want to share this information. The elements inside are actually suspended on 3 points. So that does an extra job of helping reduce low-end rumble or transfer of vibration that could possibly cause issues with the recording. And very cool design. I've had, in a home studio environment, no issues with low-end rumble or any unwanted noise in my tracks. You also get this suspension shock mount here. It's nice, heavy duty, holds it solid. You can hang it upside down, no problems of this mic staying where it's supposed to be. Being that it is a tube condenser, you do have a power supply for it, and this is an all-metal chassis, so it's nice and rugged. You're not going to have to worry about anything with this. Basic features of it, right here you have a ground lift, so if you're having any issues with a 60 cycle hum or a 50 cycle hum, you can lift the ground on it and be good to go. Right here you have your standard 3-pin XLR connector to run out to any mic pre of your choice. Right here you have your connector for running the tube cable. Now this microphone functions on a 6-pin cable that is proprietary to the 8000, and that provides the power to the tube and the electronics in the microphone as well as transmitting the audio to your mic pre. On the back of the unit, you of course have your power switch to cut it on and off. You have your connection port for your IEC cable to run it to your outlet. And here you have selectable power between 115 volt and 230 volt. So overseas customers over in Europe and Asia, you are good to go with this unit. Right here, this is the flight case that it comes in. It is a nice sturdy aluminum case, well built, well foam lined, as you can see right here. Let me open it up for you. This will do a great job of protecting your mic in transit if you're going from a studio to studio, or in storage, making sure that nothing bad happens. You have your slot for your microphone. You have the slot for your shock mount. You have the placement for your power supply and placement for your cables. It comes with standard IEC cable, a power cable, and then it also comes with a large 6-pin tube cable for powering your mic and transmitting the audio. So all in one package, you get everything you need to get recording. The Trion 8000 is essentially just a classic, well-rounded tube microphone. Any application where you can perceive that you would want that tube character, this is going to be a mic that's well balanced, so no matter what you throw at it, it's going to do the job and do it quite well. There is a little bit of a boost on the top end, so you get some more cut and clarity that you might be missing with some other tube microphones, but it's still a nice smooth response. The mid-range is full and detailed, but it's not overpowering or too up forward. There is a touch of enhancement in the low end, but it's not overpowering either. And it just helps kind of fill things out and give a nice rounded bottom to everything. I really like this on bass guitar. I really like this on drum overheads. If you want to do like a 3-mic technique on a 5-piece kit, 2 of these on drum overheads would be perfect in maintaining all the depth from your toms and snares, as well as giving you the cut and clarity you want on cymbals, but not having them very harsh or too sharp or anything like that. If you're running a solid state guitar amp and you want to add a little bit of a tube character on, say, a clean, like if you're running kind of more of a classic Stratocaster sound, or if you're doing a little bit of an overdrive sound and you just want to thicken things up a bit, this would be a great microphone for that application. The one area when I was using it in my home studio, the one area that it really blew me away at, and I would probably reach for this mic 99% of the time when I'm doing this application, double miking, I would definitely reach for this mic when it comes to double miking a kick drum. With a mic on the inside, so you can get all your attack and punch out of it. This one on the outside, about a foot away from the head, just off axis from the porthole. It gives you so much depth and just makes that kick drum sound larger than life. And I really, really loved it in that aspect. It's just a very powerful sounding mic that will really bring a lot of things to life. So, highly versatile microphone, easily in grasp of home studio guys and gals, project studio owners, and it will take anything that you throw at it and give you a very high quality recording, very usable track. So definitely anything that you would want a tube sound on, I think that this microphone would definitely fill your needs on that, and is well worth looking into if you're looking to add a tube microphone to your collection. So for more information on the Trion 8000 and for all your pro audio needs, check us out on the web at www.frontendaudio.com. Thank you.